Did you know that the first ever high-level programming language was created in 1957? It was called Fortran, which stands for Formula Translation. It was developed by IBM to make complex mathematical computations easier for scientists and engineers. Before Fortran, programmers had to write in machine code, which was tedious and error-prone. Fortran allowed users to write programs using English-like commands, making programming much more accessible. Even today, Fortran is still used in fields like weather forecasting and scientific simulations. So, next time you calculate something complex, remember Fortran, the language that started it all.